Lewes in Delaware is a place where the sunshine, fine sand, and the Atlantic Ocean are the #1 destination. Established in 1631, Lewes is situated where Delaware Bay and Atlantic Ocean come together at Cape Henlopen. No place can the beauty and splendor of Cape Henlopen State Park be equaled. In this conservatory, you will encounter an endless supply of stunning seashores, trails and bird sanctuaries. Better Blinds and Shades is also located in Sussex County, Delaware and is a proud neighbor of Lewes. We have been serving the local communities for years and looking forward to providing their window treatment, blinds, shades and shutters needs for many years to come. Available to you is a complete line of high-quality blinds, roller shades, layered shades, Romans, sliding panels, and shutters. And all installed by certified professionals that will arrive on time and complete the job as promised. Give us the opportunity to earn your business. Call or text us to arrange a free in-home consultation at 302-402-6180. Or visit our website for more information and great window treatment ideas at betterblindshades.com.